Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, uh, we are starting the AZ-104 labs, and in our first video, we are simply going to create a new tenant. So for that, I will need to navigate to my portal.azure.com, or I can simply, let me remove this. I can enter this URL. I can hit enter. So I'll simply press enter and then I will enter my username and password. So here I have entered my username and password. So I can simply sign in. So this is my Azure portal. Okay, here I'll be simply searching for my intra ID, or I can navigate it from here itself. I'll click on this. And here, as I need to create a new tenant, so I can click on manage tenant. And here if you see, currently I am available inside this particular tenant. Okay, now if I want to create a new tenant, I can simply click on this create button. Here we again have different set of tenant, like the normal enter ID that we use, or this is going to be an Azure AD-B2C, which is usually used for vendors for your organization, and maybe external ID where you want to link to a different set of identities. So I can select this one. I will say next. Here I need to enter my organization name. So let me call my organization as first AED, and here inside my domain I can give a domain. Okay, so let us assume this is my first domain, first AED, this particular domain, and here you can select your country region. Okay, for now let me go with United States. Then I can simply click on next. Here again you can basically see your validation is passed. You can see what is your tenant type, your organization name, what would be the domain for your organization, and the country where it is located. And simply click on this create button. Once you will do that, then it will ask for you to enter this captcha. So we can simply enter this PQ4DR5HD. You can even enable audio as well. Let me click on submit. So I will wait for this to get created. So what I can do, I can duplicate this tab, and here also we will get a message that our new tenant is created. But before that, let me go here. Let me go to home again, intra ID, manage tenant. Okay, so you see here currently, even though like it have not yet completed, but a new tenant got created. This is our organization name. This would be our domain name, and this is our organization ID. Okay, and again, like you can switch between your tenant, you can leave the tenant, you can make this one as your default tenant. You can have a lot of options, but for now what I will do, let me try to switch. Okay, currently I am into this particular tenant. Okay, loads prod dash MCA, but for now let me switch. Okay, and now if you are switching for the first time, as I have created this, so I will need to set up MFA for me. So I can click on next. So this will take some time because we are doing it for the first time. Here I can register the MFA. You can click on next. Again click on next. It will show you a QR code. You can scan this. Now here it will ask me for the code. I can simply accept it through my phone that I'm doing at this moment. 29 is the code. Let me accept it. So the authentication is added. So I'm done. So here if you can see, now I'm into this particular tenant. Okay, like first AD, this is my domain name and all this information. So in our next video, we'll see, how we can configure the users and group. Thank you for watching this video.